Hello everyone. This video is on a very interesting topic. As you can see on the screen, the topic is underclaim deductions for salaried employee. What it means is that if you are a salaried person, which most of the people are, about 80 to 90%, people who are working, who are on not running a business, but they are doing a job, maybe Woolworth, Coles, or some other company. In their tax return, they lose a lot of deductions. Why do they lose? Because they do not know what to claim. Now we are just covering three main deductions which normally people forget to claim, or for any reason they don't claim. Normally people say, I want to claim uniform, I want to claim this. You don't get anything from uniform. How much uniform can you claim? How many receipts do you have? So don't worry about uniform. Uniform is nothing. There are some other major expenses which can boost your refund. So you need to learn what are those expenses, as you can see on the screen, and you need to have appropriate or required documentation for that. Your refund will be boosted in a very big way. Let's start one by one. The first is on D1 level car expense, as you can see, blue car on the screen. The second one is work from home expense, especially after COVID, people are working from home. A lot of people are working, I would say about 30 to 40% people they work from home. If well, if not 5 days, maybe 2 days, maybe one day, but they can still claim it because from home you incur a lot of expenditure. You buy furniture, or you pay for electricity, or you pay for laptop or whatever. You can claim them. The next is self-education expense. So I will go through all of them, what you can claim, and in the next slide I will cover it. Okay, so just so let's start, and just we will just proceed one by one. Okay, the first expense which is not reported or underclaimed by the employees are car expense, which is at D1 level. When can you claim the car? You cannot claim the car if you're going from work to work and work to home, that everyone is going. So you cannot claim that. When can you claim? You can only claim if you are driving from one job to another job. Let's say your job finishes at 5 o'clock, you start another job at 5:30 or 6 o'clock, something like this. When can you claim? When you are carrying heavy tools. It's especially for electrical guys or some tradies who are carrying heavy tools in their car. When can you claim? When you have to go out to see the clients, like a salesman or electrician or a plumber or your business development officer. They are going out to see the clients, or they are going for some training, or they are going to post office for work, or for any official work when they travel during the work. Between their work hours when they travel, they can claim it, right? This is the expense which a lot of people incur, but they do not claim it. Okay, there are two methods, but we will keep it simple because people don't maintain logbook. So we will just put cent per kilometer method. As you can see, there are various rates for different years, but a simple rule is you claim 78 cents for every kilometer. So let's say you have driven 1000 Ks, so you multiply 1000 into 78 cents, which is about $780. You can claim as a deduction. The maximum claimable is 5000 kilometers. So what is the maximum amount you can claim? 5000 into 78 cents comes to 3900. That can be your deduction under D1 level. What do you need? You do not need any invoices. You only need a diary. You need a record of how you have calculated the kilometers. That's all you need. You do not need a logbook for this method. Okay, let's move to the second expense now. Okay, the second expense is self-education expense. What is self-education? Self-education means if you're a nurse, right? So you can claim your uni fees or day fees, and any books you buy, or any laptop you bought for studies, or any stationery, or any union fees in your university, or even the travel expenses. You go to uni by car, or by bus, or by train. You can claim those expenses also. So any books you buy, so those things are claimable. everyone is studying, not everyone I would say, but a lot of people, they are doing self education connected to their job. Accountants are studying accounting, financial planner, or like whatever professionals, they are always upgrading themselves, but they forget to claim those expenses. Even home internet can be claimed under this. So what I would suggest is just keep all the record, just keep all the receipts of the education. But education should be connected to your job and you can claim them. Just keep a receipt and just keep a proper diary of what your expenses are connected to your job for self education, and then you can claim it in your tax. Let's move to the next slide now. Okay, the next one is work from home. This is especially relevant once after COVID. Why? Because most of the people are working from home. If not 5 days, then 2 days, 1 day, 3 days, but they forget to claim. Just because they say, "Oh, I've not kept any receipts." You don't need to keep any receipts. There are two methods. One method is you keep all the receipts and then you claim it. The second method is, there are three methods in a way if you see on the screen. But the very simple method is you don't need receipt, just claim on the basis of hours you have worked. You can keep a diary or you can ask from your company, they will give you a record of how many hours you have worked from home. So you multiply by, what is that rate? 52 cents. If you can see 40 hours per week, 50 weeks, just an approximate. So 40 into 50 into 52 cents, 1040. Simple. This is a very simple calculation which you can do in your tax return just based on number of hours. You do not need, if you say, "Oh, I bought stationery, I bought this, I don't have the receipts." Normally people do not keep the receipts. In this method, you do not need any receipts. This method is very simple, right? Let's go to the next slide now. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is you can claim those three expenses. Those three expenses, they are underclaimed. People incur it, but they don't claim it because they are scared that they do not have receipts. As I've told you, you do not need receipts for claiming car and from work from home. Okay, but if you want to claim it properly, there are other methods, but then you need to keep all the receipts, all the evidences you need to keep. So my suggestion is you keep all the records so that you can claim more. Why not? If you have genuinely incurred expense, why don't you want to claim? You should claim it, but you should keep the receipts. So you keep receipts, you keep proper tax invoices. If you want to claim more car expenses, then you need to keep all the invoices and the logbook. Okay, there is a method claim known as logbook method for car, in which you can claim car under logbook method. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Thanks for watching. So my video has finished. Thanks once again for watching the whole video. I appreciate that the time you have given for watching this video. Please share this video to all your friends so that they know what expense they are not claiming. You can claim thousands back. Believe me, not hundreds. You can claim thousands of refund, thousands of dollars. You can get it back in your tax return if you claim these three expenses. Please share it to your friend. Please like and subscribe our channel. It would be a great favor, and register online, and so that you can get $20 upfront and 5 tips to 5,000 refund. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye for now.